Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Storytelling. Alphabet N to T. Today we're going to enjoy a super fun story with the letters N to T. Are you ready? Let's go. Story time. Meet Nita. Nita is a little girl. She likes to eat, oranges. Yum yum. Her favorite pea pet is a pea parrot. Look how colorful it is. She lives in Quetta, a beautiful city in Pakistan. One day, while she was eating strawberries in her room, she saw a rat. Oh no. Q. Quickly, she ran and hid under the tea table. Can you say the letters with me? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Great job. Teaching highlights phonics focus. Let's say the sounds together. N is for Nita. O is for orange. P is for parrot and pet. Q is for Quetta and quickly. R is for rat and room. S is for saw and strawberries. T is for table. Amazing! You did so well! Remember, every letter has a sound, and when we learn their sounds, we can read any word. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time with more fun learning. Bye-bye!